This question is from IPMAT Indore 2023 paper QA section. So the question is from time and distance. A helicopter flies along the sides of a square field of side length 100 kilometers. So let's make a square field. Now the sides are 100 kilometers. This diagram may not be to scale, but all the sides are 100 kilometers. When this helicopter flies along the lines of this square field, the speeds change. The first side is covered at a speed of 100 km per hour. So the speed here was 100 km per hour. And for each subsequent side, the speed is increased by 100 km per hour. So the speed on this side becomes 200 km per hour. Speed on the third side will be 300 km per hour because it increases by 100 again. And similarly, on the fourth side, it will be 400 km per hour. So this is the information given. Now we need to find the average speed of the helicopter for this entire journey from point A to A. So we know the average speed. The basic formula for average speed is total distance covered upon total time taken. So this is the basic formula for average speed. So we will use that only. So the total distance covered is very simple to calculate, 100 kilometers on four sides of the square. So that is 400 kilometers. So average speed, that will be 400 kilometers divided by the time taken. So the time taken on the first side of the square will be 100 kilometers up at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. So the time taken will be 100 upon 100. That means 1 hour or 60 minutes. What about the second side? Because the speed has doubled, the time will be half, so 30 minutes. On the third side, the speed has tripled as compared to the first, so time will be 1/3, so the 20 minutes. And on the fourth side, the speed is 4 times as compared to first, so the time will be 1/4. 1/4 of 60, that is 15 minutes. So we don't have to calculate for each side separately. We can simply use the ratios. So the total traveling time is 60 plus 30 plus 20 plus 15. So the total is 125 minutes. So we can calculate the average speed. That will be 400 km upon 125 minutes. As we can check, the options are all in kilometer per hour. So we will convert this 125 minutes to hours. So that will be 125 by 60 hours. Now it is very easy to solve. 400 into 60 upon 125. We can cancel 25 5 and 25 16. Then 5 and 12. So the answer will be 12 into 16, that is 192 kilometer per hour. So that will be the answer B.